Alright, this video is for Algebra 2 NTI Day 11. You're also doing it in Day 10. This is example number 1, and you are solving by factoring. On these, you can kind of use your answer choices to help you out also, and I'll talk about that at the end of the video. So, to factor, basically what you're doing is just finding two numbers that multiply to whatever this number is on the end, and they have to add up to whatever this middle number is here. So I'm going to go ahead and make my two sets of parentheses. I have a variable v. I'm going to add that first into my parentheses. I'm trying to multiply to get a negative 7. So anytime I'm multiplying to get a negative number, I have a negative and a positive. So negative and a positive. And that happens on several of these examples on day 11. It happens on example 2, example 3, and example 6. You're all multiplying to get these negative numbers. So now I'm saying, okay, what are some numbers that multiply to get negative 7? Well, this one's kind of easy because the only numbers that multiply to get negative 7 would be 1 and negative 7, or I could change those signs and make negative 1 and positive 7. So to know which one to choose, I do have to make sure it adds up to that negative number. And here are my choices, 1 and 7. So to make it add up to the negative 6, since this number is negative, I can just make the bigger of these two numbers have that same sign, be negative. So v minus 7. And then v plus 1 because the 1's positive. Since it's telling me to solve it, the answer choices don't look like that. The answer choices just have the number. So I just have to flip my signs. 7 from negative 7 to positive 7. And then from 1, flip my sign over to a negative 1. And that would be my final answer.